Yo, what is good, guy? Welcome in this new video. Today we're talking about data HL, which is data highs and lows. And what does it means? It's basically a different forms of liquidity, a very good forms of liquidity that we can use for entries, for TPs. So it's a very good target. Without any wasting any more time, as you can see here, I have some notes, and let's just begin. So what is data highs and lows are basically liquidity points that are formed during news. In this case, I have an example already here, actually two example. We had Fed share power peaks at 9:30, which isn't a data highs and lows candle. Why? Because the candle, the 9:30 candle, didn't create a movement caused by the fucking news, but because in this particular case, it's power peaks. So the news don't manipulate in a single candle, but in a long time while power is still speaking, okay? But we have the 10 a.m. candle, which is, as you can see, ISM PMI, job openings, and manufacturing price. So that's a good news candle, okay? Very simple. And yeah, as you can see here, I wrote down like CPI, PPI, and NFP, but of course any red folder news is good as long as I told you it's a singular candle news, okay? So as long as we see the manipulation, so the candle move, the news movement at the first candle once the data are released, okay? Very simple. Whichever side gets taken first, the market often targets the opposite liquidity pool. What does it mean? Let's do an example. Okay, I have it here. Let's pretend this is this is our news candle, okay? That's, for example, the 10 a.m. candle. If the price want to, if for example, if this is a bullish candle, so like this. Wait, what? Okay, that's a bullish candle, so the closure is here, okay? Let's pretend the price do this. So we took out this eyes first. We pretend that the price will eventually do this. So it's going to take the other side of the candle, so the lows in this case. Otherwise, vice versa, if the candle was let's pretend the closure was still there, okay? So still have a bullish candle. It could have done this, so take out this first, and we pretend this will happen. So we wait for the price to take out this other side, so the eyes in this case. Same thing, it's for the bearish candle. So if the price open here, take out this one here first. We expect to take out this after, or vice versa. If we take out this first, oh, fuck, we expect price to do this after, okay? Very simple. So that's a target, basically. We could enter here, for example, and target this, okay? Of course, that's just an example. You need the concept, the confluence, and the context. So wait till the video ends, because just by that you will not use it correctly, okay? Now I want my fucking candle with the previous color. Okay, just like that. Yeah, okay, perfectly. Now okay, yeah, using data as lows, yeah, data as lows as point of control is a kind of good way of using it. So what does it means? You can treat it basically like a key levels, okay? Let's do this shit. Fuck, man. Let's do this, okay? This is our candle, okay? Very easy. Our candle, our candle. That's a bullish candle, okay? We could use the either the high or the low, but no, mainly let's not just do it, okay? If that's a bullish candle, that's the opening, okay? We could use this opening as a point of interest, so basically a key level, okay? That's good. This could be as a point of interest, okay? Basically. Other than that, we can use the whole week as a week theory, for example. Either this, on the 50-minute possibly, but only on the 50-minute chart. That's great. What else? See, I wrote the fucking notes because I fucking forgot everything as soon as I record the video. Week theory for entries, yeah, I just say that 50-minute chart is the best. Yeah, key condition for a week theory it's engine high liquidity, so to enter of the week, this is the 50-minute chart. Okay, that's an M, okay. TF. To enter on the week, we must have engine high liquidity, so like a candle like this. Okay, and we can enter here very easy. Let's do this. Other than that, do not enter blinded of every weekly retracement. Of course, you need other confluence. So for example, if behind the week there was a fair value gap, an inverse and fair value gap, whatever you want, this could be good, okay? Other confluence, not just in general liquidity and this week's in particular, or you will get fucked up. News driven key opens, yeah, as I told you in the key level video, 8:30 and 10 a.m. are very good. When the 8:30 in particular is almost only good when we have news, so yeah, and at 10 a.m. it's greater when we also have news, but you could also use it anyway. See, the 8:30 is crucial with news. This is just the principal concept, so this one. This is an example. If data is get swept, so this gets swept. Price retrace to 10 a.m. open. So where is this fucking bitch? the open, so this we expect a continuation, very easy. Okay, that's I think all. It's a very short concept. Yeah, final thought, Newsdays provide clear liquidity targets. Now we are gonna see some example. Use lower time frame for precise entry. The 1 minute is the one we want to see the news candle in. Use data highs and lows can be used for entries, reaction zone, and point of interest. The point of control. Weak theory entries require liquidity confirmation, don't force trade. Okay, that's all the theory. Now let's jump into some practice. Let me screenshot this fucking bitch. Okay. Now delete all. And let's go to the 1 minute. Okay. As you can see here, that's this day. Okay. We had at 9:30, so here this candle of the Powell, but we don't use it because Powell speak in not a singular candle, but we did time. Okay, so the one singular candle is useless. In this case, as you can see, we didn't get a proper reaction. In the other end, we have the 10 AM candle here. Sorry, this one. This is our candle, so we mark out our highs and lows. Okay. As you can see, that's a very great example. We did sweep this one. So from the opening price, we swept this. We started the reversal to the other side of the liquidity pool, basically. So the eyes in this case of the candle did a little retrace to sweep the inside the liquidity, and then continued the take of the manipulation leg to take out this liquidity here, and then reversed again. That wasn't really the best example because there was also Powell speaking, but you can understand it. Okay, very simple. We swept the lows and then got the highs. Okay, and yeah, basically that's it. Let's jump into today's example because we also got a nice example today. See, that's the candle. As you can see here, we got these two. What I told you, this could be used as a key level, the opening. What do we see here? Perfect example. Just tap into the key open, which is also 9:30 key open, so that was pretty good, and fucking bounce all the way up here. How many points is that? To be curious, is 600 point. Okay, just with it. In this case, the eye didn't get much of a reaction. Yeah, we did sweep this first and then come back here, but it was kinda strange of a sweep. Okay, but in this case the example was just to show you the key level example. We also had today the 9:30, which isn't the best. This failed, but that's good. Okay, that's all for today. That's really all. The 15 minute for the week C here, for example. Okay, we got a very small reaction, but why this wasn't good? We did have any general liquidity here? No, that's a candle. Okay, that's an example of a general liquidity candle. So sorry, like this. Did we have any general liquidity candle like that? No, so that wasn't a weak theory, good way of using it, basically. In this video, I'm fucking so boring, guys. I don't know, I just can't explain. But that's all for today. This wasn't really a very easy concept to understand. Okay, last recap. We got the news candle on the 1 minute. News candle in 1 minute. If we take this side first, we want to take this side next. If we take this side first, we want to take this side next. Okay, really easy. If this is a bullish candle, we want the opening price as a key open, cioè we could use it as a key open. Same thing, of course, of a bearish candle. So like this could be our example of key open. Weak theory. So if we jumped on the 15 minute time frame, okay, time frame. If this is a bigger wick, so it rejected actually something, so like this basically, we could use this as a weak theory. What the fuck is this, bro? And yeah, basically enter on the weak C. But why in this case is not good? Because we must use this type of weak C only with general liquidity. Okay, that's very important. So this candle was our general liquidity. That's good. We can enter on the weak C. Okay, and what else? This could work also as point of support and resistance, but I don't really use it. That's just I don't know. For me, it's pretty useless. I use only the key open, the key level. See, basically the key open. Sometimes the weak C, but not really. Only if we got some very goated form of general liquidity. And yeah, that's it basically for the day. Thanks for watching. If you are still watching this video, thanks to you. Thanks yourself, because you are very disciplined. I know today was a really boring video. I fucking yapped a lot, so yeah, you are very disciplined and I compliment you. If you had enough discipline to watch this whole video, comment with top tick. Okay, thanks for watching. Peace out.